Hi everybody, welcome back to another video from the Football G. It is match day for Manchester United and it also is derby day against our closest rivals, Manchester City. This is going to be an epic match, it always is, especially the last few times that we've played against them. We've had a better run than we have for previous seasons, but I'm super stoked. This is going to be a very interesting game. All I want to see today from the guys is a performance. The result for me is not that big of a factor, even though this is a very crucial game and it can basically give us a nice some breathing room between us and Man City. But again, performance is vital. We need to start from the get-go. We need to start playing the football that we know we can and not do this playing catch-up thing that we've been doing lately. So Manchester United's last 5 games have been a little bit up and down. We obviously lost the game against RB Leipzig most recently in the Champions League, and then we also lost to PSG. But other than that, we won 3 other games. The first one in the 5-game run was the win against Istanbul Başakşehir, and we won our other 2 Premier League games. Man City, on the other hand, have been on an excellent run of form. They've won 4 out of their last 5 games, and their most recent game against Marseille, they won 3-0 in the Champions League. But it is a derby day and form goes out of the window on this day. It's basically about who wants it more, and Manchester United can't rely on doing what we've been doing where we only wake up in the second half in this game. We need to have structure from the beginning so that we can determine how this match goes. And like I said, for me, the focus today is on the performance. I want to see the players react to the loss that they had in the league, and so they can show the fans that yes, okay, we're out of the Champions League, and for us that was a huge thing because we worked so hard last season to get there, but it's not the end of the world. So we're all extremely familiar with Manchester City's team. There are some big hitters in their team. The main one for me, and that's the person that we need to try and knock out of the game, which is Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne has been the top midfielder for years consistently. He does his work. He doesn't have a lot of hype about him in terms of the type of attention that Pogba gets, but he gets down to it and he gets the results, and his stats back up the way that he plays, whereas Pogba on the other hand is a complete opposite of that. So that's why we're not going to talk about Pogba today. We will focus on our player who can also have the same influence as Kevin De Bruyne, which is Bruno Fernandes. So obviously today everybody's focus is going to be on the two of them. I hope that Bruno doesn't have one of those matches where we play in the big game and he's always on the peripheral side of the game. We need to get him into the mix. He needs to be creative. He needs to create chances for our attacking players so that we can have a massive influence in this game. We also need to watch out for Raheem Sterling, but that for me shouldn't be an issue if Aaron Wan-Bissaka is on point today, like he has been in derbies most recently. And yeah, if he can have a performance and whoever plays left back can also show up, then we should be able to contain Man City. There is another problem that might come into this feature, which is Aguero coming back. But because he hasn't been up to speed, it's possible that he doesn't have that Kun effect that he's had over the years where he always seems to score against us. But he has a slower game, and maybe hopefully he comes on second half so that we don't have to contend with him from the get-go. A player that I think Manchester United should target today in the Manchester City lineup is Mendy, the left back. He is the weak link in their team. He obviously is a great player. The team is doing well, and it's going to be very difficult to find weaknesses in the team. But if we had to pick one player on one side of the field that we would like to attack, that would be the left-hand side of Manchester City's defense. So I hope that Solskjaer's picked up on this, and I'm sure that the players know it too. But yeah, let's see how they get on with the game, and if their focus is on that side, or if we're just going to try and maintain our normal stance in big games, which is we contain and try and hit on the counter. But we'll see as the day goes on. My prediction for today's game is 2-2. My reason for going with the score is I do think that there will be goals in the game. I don't think both defenses are not perfect, especially this season. They haven't been. City probably have a little bit better defense in the last few games because they have found more of a rhythm going forward and defensively. But yes, there will be goals that will be conceded by both sides, but I don't think anybody's going to win this game. I think the pressure on both sides to win it is too much, and we both know what it could do in terms of the table for each team. So it's going to be a tough game going both ways, but I do think a draw is going to be the final score. Let's get into the starting lineup for today's match. Firstly, the formation that I think is going to work for us today is a 4-5-1 formation. I think we need to revert back to that because the players are way more comfortable in it. The goalkeeper for today, David De Gea, retains his place. Our right back will be Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Playing next to him will be Harry Maguire, playing on the right hand side. Today I would like to see Solskjaer play Axel Tuanzebe next to Harry Maguire. And then in the left back position will be Luke Shaw. In the midfield, the holding two will be Fred will be back. He needs to come back. We needed his combative style in the week just to try and disrupt the game. And then also Donny van de Beek playing next to him. I do think we need to go with a more position-based team. Yes, we are going to have to defend a lot, but we do need to be able to retain the position. In front of them in the number 10 role is Bruno Fernandes, as expected. And then on the right hand side of the front three, I'd go with Marcus Rashford. Up top, Anthony Martial, and on the left-hand side, playing left wing today, I think Alex Telles deserves a start. We have to be completely honest. The last 4 or 5 games we've played against City has been City dominating position, and I expect the same to happen today because that's what Man City do. That's just the way they play. We need to be comfortable with the fact that we're not going to have a lot of the ball, but when we do have the ball, we need to try and do something with it. They are going to create chances. That what we need is a stellar performance from Aaron Wan-Bissaka to be able to contain the winger, which is normally Raheem Sterling. And David De Gea needs to have an outstanding game in goals today. There shouldn't be any mistakes from him, hopefully. And I actually think he performs better in games like this because he gets tested from the get-go, so he's switched on immediately. So what we need to do is that we obviously need to create chances, and we need to be clinical as always. It's going to be key that we start with confidence, with purpose, and we need to not give away silly mistakes and silly goals. We need to bring Bruno Fernandes into the game. He obviously, even when he has a bad game, he still somehow seems to find an assist or find a goal in the game, but we need to have him involved in the game. Bruno seems to have a better understanding with Rashford this season, but they need to bring Anthony Martial into the game, and he needs a goal as well just so that he can get up and running. It is a derby, anything can happen. Passion is going to be extremely important and hard work in this game, and we need to win our duels, which is super crucial. You can't get away from that in a match like this, especially because Man City do not like to get kicked. We need to focus on that, and we need to make that our goal, to make them uncomfortable and to show them that they have come to Old Trafford. The legend of Manchester United needs to show up today. So yeah, as you can hear, I'm super stoked for this game, guys. I know you are too. But yes, enjoy the game, guys, and I hope that my prediction is wrong and we win the game today, which would be an awesome result. But thank you again for tuning in. Drop a like, drop a comment in the section below, and let me know what you think is going to be the prediction for today and possibly your lineup for today's match and what you think we should go with. But thank you for tuning in, guys. Have an awesome day. Enjoy the match. Cheers.